Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sanvi Agarwal. Okay, let's just talk about today's video. So today we are diving into something that can literally change your life for the better self-improvement. Whether you're looking to boost your confidence, develop new skills, or to just become the best version of yourself, I have got some amazing tips for you. So just grab a cup of coffee or tea, sit back and let's get started. So, tip number one, set clear goals. Alright, so first things first, you need to be very clear that what you really want to achieve, whether you want to learn any new language or you want to be fit or you want to improve your time management skills. You need to write it down and just focus on that and make it specific so that you can just focus on them. And you don't have to say that I want to be healthy or I want to get fit. You need to say that I want to exercise 3 times a week. So just make it specific that what you actually want to achieve, and just trust me, clarity is a key. So I hope you understood what I wanted to say, that to just make your goal specific and just to be clear that what you really want to achieve. Alright, so now let's move on to the tip number 2. So the tip number 2 is create a routine. Okay, so now you know that what are your goals exactly. So now to support them, you need to design a daily routine. It will help you build discipline and also make your habits stick. For example, you want to read more. So just dedicate 20 minutes to yourself every morning, because small consistent actions lead to big results over time. Okay, so now let's move on to the third tip, which is learn continuously. Okay, so never stop learning. This could mean reading books, taking online courses, or maybe even to listen podcasts. Just find something you're passionate about and expand your knowledge, because it keeps your mind sharp and opens up new opportunities. Plus, learning things can be so much fun. So yeah, just keep learning. Okay, so tip number 3 is surround yourself with positivity. Okay, so this is very important point. Your environment can greatly affect your mindset. So be around people who inspires you and uplift you. If someone is constantly negative about you, so I think it's time to make some distance. Also, fill your space with the things that makes you happy, like motivational quotes, plants, or maybe the pictures that makes you remember of your good time. So be positive and keep yourself also around positivity. Alright, so the tip number 5 is practice gratitude. So this can be a game changer. Take a few minutes every day to reflect on what you are grateful for. It shifts your focus from what's lacking to what you have. A gratitude journal can be super helpful for this. Even I do journaling sometimes. It's not a regular one, but I just do whenever I feel like. I write whatever is inside me or my thoughts or what I feel like, and also I have a diary in which I write my everyday tasks. And you can also have a diary like that. You can just write down all your tasks or write about your thoughts, whatever you are thinking inside. Even you can buy them for yourself. I will just link them down in the description box, and I bought them from Amazon. So yeah, I mean, you can also have a journal and write whatever you have inside your mind. And even I will show you my both diaries in the end of this video. So keep watching this way, because it's amazing how much more positive and motivated you feel when you start appreciating little things in life. So yeah. So that was the tip number 5. Now let's move on to the tip number 6, which is to take care of your body. Taking care of your body is very important. Drinking plenty of water, eating healthily, and just make sure you're getting enough sleep. Exercise regularly, even if it's just a walk around the block. If your body feels good, your mind will feel good too, because it's all connected. So yeah, exercise and take care of your body. So last but not the least, tip number 7, reflect and adjust. Self improvement is a journey, not a destination. So regularly take time to reflect on your progress, that what's working, what's not. Be flexible and willing to make changes. Remember, it's okay to stumble as long as you keep moving forward. And there you have it, my top tips for the self improvement. Remember, even the smallest step today can lead to big changes tomorrow.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay. So I was talking about my 2 diaries. In one, I do journaling, not regularly, but sometimes. And in the other one, I write down my to-do tasks, what tasks I have to do. So let me show you the journal one first, because I bought it like years ago. Let me just show you.
5 hours later.
Okay, I bought it on August 10, 2022. I literally have written down each and everything inside, and it was Wednesday on that day. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you what all I have written inside, but I can just show you the pages of mine.
75 years later.
I'm just gonna show you how it looks like.
3,000 years later.
Okay, so it looks like something like this, a little old school style, but I love it. Seriously, I just love it so much. This is the back side and this is the front side. It even says follow your dreams. So I just love these quotes and quoted diaries. So it opens something like this, and you open this and there you go. So I have my stuff inside, so I'm just gonna show you the pages. It has like normal pages inside, so I really loved it, so I just bought it. I will give the link of this diary in the description box, and you can check it from there. And the other one in which I write my to-do tasks is this one. It also says it all starts with a dream, so it is also very cute. And this is the back side and this is the front side. Let me show you from inside how it looks like. So its pages are very different. Let me just show you all. Okay, so I have opened randomly, and you can see this is very different. Which work I have to must get done today, water intake area. It literally have it all on this, and notes and stuff. So you can see, right, it contains everything which I want in a diary. So yeah, you can also buy these 2 diaries. I will just link them down in the description box. I'm literally saying this for the 3rd time. Alright, if you found these tips helpful, just give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have literally got 154 subscribers right now, but counting more. And subscribe my channel, and I will give you more such helpful videos and post more helpful videos for you guys. And literally there are many more coming on the way. So please subscribe and like this video, and comment down if you also follow any of these tips and want more videos related to this. So you can just tell me in the comment box, and share this video with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.